Hello everyone. I'm glad to be here in Rhodes. My name is Natasha Maconi, International Master for Framesi, and I'm here with the team of all the international masters from all over the world, held by Armando Petracci, which is our director. And I'm glad today to answer to all your questions. The Framesi webinar are target for all the hairdressers and all the professionals that want to improve the skill and knowledge. But one of the focus in Framesi that makes Framesi such an important brand all over the world is the education that we give every day all over the world. There is an education live, one-to-one, held by stylists, by technician or by master, and as well by our director. So for us in Framesi, it's still very, very important to have the contact with the people, the contact with the colleagues, to share as much as we can all the information and grow up all together. Let's say the best product that you can have that is making your life easier is, of course, a technical product. For example, all over the world there are bleached women. Every second woman has blonde hair, bleached, balayage, and so on. So in Framesi we do have 5 different powders, and the most hero product that we have is to have 101 and 102 Pro-Force, that is preventing the dehydratation of the hair and sealing the fiber during the processing time of the bleach. So I would say one of our best products to have in the salon is for sure Pro-Force. So personally, one of my favorite products in my salon, because I have a salon as well, I have all the Framesi products, from the colors to the bleaches, the straightening, permanent, smoothing system, for me and morphosis. But one of the best tools I love to have in my salon is Color Exalt, which is a cream that is lifting up a natural hair, but most of it colored hair. Very gentle, very quick. And we are the only one in the world to have such an amazing product with Pure Pigment Plus that you can really combine, mix and match together to have highlights with colored hair, removing all color in a very gentle way, in a very easy way. The most preferred service I love to do between color, haircut, or styling, all of them. I am a professional, and this is why I love to create hairstyles with cutting technique. I love to do colors to enhance the beauty of my customer. And I love to do the styling because at least we are all women. And as a woman, I love to see the beauty and the light coming out from my customers. So I cannot split them. For me, as a professional, they are just one. The major need nowadays all over the world is for sure, let's say the first place is the colors. Why? Because actually we are living in a lifetime where every woman wants to do a color, highlights. She wants to feel different and beautiful. So for sure, technical skills with knowledge about colorimetry, chemistry, how the products works, how to use it in different way. Of course, for the moment, we would say that coloring is one of the most important education. On top of it, of course, we do not forget that also haircuts are very important, because to have the knowledge to make performing a beautiful haircut with a beautiful hair color, it's a perfect combination. Thank you for listening to me. I really hope you enjoy a little bit of spots of the International Congress. See you the next year, and Viva Framesi!